Hey folks, today I'm going to talk about change data capture along with the filter criteria. Some of the tables, you want to capture the delta, but also based on certain criteria like company code, sales org, plant, etc. Right? So that's what we'll do in this quick video. So let's get going. Sharing my screen. We are going to use table BKPF, and here I'm going to extract records from BKPF. This is how your extraction would be set up. Basically, object type is T and table name is BKPF. We are exporting this into a file share, and here is where we are doing this on date and time series, where the document date and time is being used, and we are also providing filter criteria that only for when the bookers, that is the company code and the document type matches, and here are the values which we are giving for each. So we are saying the company code should be 3000 and document type should be AA. Only those should be selected. So when I go ahead and let's first check our BKPF table, 16 and F. If I was to run this for company code 3000, document type AA, the same filter criteria we put, I get 302 entries, right? So let's run this. When I execute it, it goes and generates this file in this directory, which if I open this, I have this file generated, which has all these entries from the BKPF table, which matches the criteria that the company code is 3000 and the document type is AA, right? Now let's go ahead and do another posting for the delta record, and what I will do is this one 01, I'll use FP01 and I'll use today's date. I'll do a post with reference because I have that document set up, and here what we are doing is doing with a posting key, which is 40, and the reversing entry is going to the accounts receivable. So we now go ahead and post this. It says 1117 was posted. I want to see this document. It has got an accounting document which takes cash and puts the reversal side on the accounts receivable. Now, if I was to run this in delta mode, same criteria, running it on date and time series, it generates a new file. And if I go to this file directory, there's the new file which is created, and it has generated with just this delta entry, which matches this criteria of company code 3000 and document type AA. All right, what this does is simply to select your table records based on your document type or year or company code, any of the business criteria which you want to, so that you can generate separate outputs and do your change data capture better. I hope you find this useful. Thank you.